Hey, thanks for checking out my video. Today I'm making similar to Bang Bang Shrimp. If you've been to Bonefish and had Bang Bang Shrimp, I've made this. It's so good that I just felt like I had to share it. So I buy this popcorn shrimp. This is the brand I usually get. It's really good. And I'm going to put it in my air fryer. And this is a liner to my air fryer. So I'm just going to... I always like that it's served on cabbage. I just buy the coleslaw. It's got the cabbage and the carrots in it. I like both of those, but I just don't like real big hard pieces. Okay, I'm going to show you how I serve this. So anyway, I'm going to just make the sauce right in this squirt bottle, and all it is it's equal parts chili sauce, and I love this G. Hughes sugar-free chili sauce. It's sweet and spicy. I use it when I make Szechuan chicken. It's super good. So I'm even just going to eyeball this. It's about equal parts chili sauce and mayonnaise. I mean, 3 things: chili sauce, mayonnaise, sriracha. That's it. Just took no time at all, and believe me, me and my husband are both going to love this.